Hey fam, it's Gabby. I'm gonna make this intro short and sweet because I don't have a lot of time, but we're gonna go ahead and get started on the T-Rex. I'm gonna try to install this shifter thing that I got for you guys. I'll show you in just a second. And don't mind me, I just came straight from the gym today, so wearing some gym clothes, whatever. Awesome, so I just want to talk a little bit about the part that I got. It is this really pretty, really well made quality. It comes with some bushings here. This is a Tyrannosaurus tightener by Dino Designs. This will completely replace the shift knuckle. So this guy here, because in here, no, my bad, not here. Here. So this little thing you have to replace every single time you take it out is incredibly hard to get out. So the people in my T-Rex community went up and made one of these to replace it because it's that really freaking hard to get. So we're going to be installing this today. So this end of it will go into the transmission side like that, and then these bushings will go in here. It should help with the sloppiness of my shifting right now also, without having to need actually to buy more shifter bushings. So should be pretty easy, straightforward. Let's get it installed. So this guy is on the transmission, the dinosaur tightener. But for me to get this part, the shift rod, onto the new shifter knuckle, I have to take this off. And it's not exactly like a nut and bolt. Looks like I'm gonna have to grind down the little nubs here to get this out, slide it out, put it on with the new bushings. Like that. Sounds easy, right? Sweet, we got gloves, some safety glasses, and my air die grinder. This is a lot safer to use than those big old electric ones that I'm always scared of. I'm gonna drop and just whoosh, cut into my insides. Alright, this might take a while. So I don't know if you guys can see, but this has been grinded down pretty flat. And that's what we were trying to do. Nice and flat. Awesome, so now that each side has been flattened down, I'm going to take either like a bolt or some sort of punch to kind of like hammer it out, right? So I have the jack holding the shift rod up. This part moves, so I'll have to be careful with that, but I have this socket to kind of help to kind of help stabilize it, and this bolt, this is skinny enough to go all the way, or I think it's skinny enough anyway, to go all the way through and punch it out. So it's long enough to go all the way through, but skinny enough that it's not gonna, you know, it's tinier, so it'll push out that bolt, right? But it can go through. I'm so tired already. This is gonna be way higher than I thought. Maybe I saw on the floor. Ugh, my neck hurts. Fuck me, man. Project car doesn't come easy, am I right? I've never done this before, so don't judge me. I'm doing the best I can. Gosh darn it. Really? Really? I haven't even hammered that hard. Dude! Ugh. This is stupid.
A few moments later.
Hey guys, it's an update. It's a bit later, and I obviously was very unsuccessful at getting out that bushing. So I brought a little help. Say hello.
I'm not helpful.
He's help. He has muscles in case I needed him to hammer stuff for me. Yeah, but Chris is here, and we're gonna try a different method today because it's. Don't show everybody your legs.
Look at that muscle.
And chicken legs.
It's too,
Where?
It's too white. You gotta show it on the
It
camera.
is. I
Ready?
need to like
Ready?
Anyway, last time I was here, it was hot, I was tired, and I was just really frustrated, so I decided to just step away and come back another day, and now it is another day. We are here to conquer this god darn shifter rod thing. It's gonna get in! Hey.
Is this it?
Yeah.
Why is it look dirtier than before?
Maybe you just looked at it the wrong way. Were you successful?
Yeah, you gotta punch it.
Don't,
That's punching.
Don't punch,
Punch it.
That's fisting, that's not punching.
That's true, that's a good point.
Okay, you gotta get down here and tell them what you're doing, man.
Okay, man, we're gonna take this, we're gonna set it like somewhere real sketchy looking. We're gonna put this thing in that hole.
Luckily, I drilled a hole into it.
Yeah, I know, that hole really helped.
I decided that
Now we need to
the last time I was working on it, I thought that drill pressing the thing out, but it didn't work. All it did was put a hole in it.
All right, I'm not 100% sure that this is a punch, but it looks like a punch, and maybe we'll break it in half, maybe we won't. Doesn't matter, it's not our tool. Let me see that thing.
Do you remember last time we broke a tool, it wasn't ours?
Yeah, that shit snapped like a little fucking twig.
Like a little pickle.
Like a little pickle.
Little pickle. All right, you have to, all right.
All right, put this on here, I need you to hold it.
What?
Hold my stick.
Okay. It's coming!
I'm hitting it really hard and it's not really budging.
Yeah, it is. Look, it's going in.
All right,
and
you
then
need safety
coming
glasses
out.
in case.
Hey!
Put this on for the spray.
Safety.
For the safety.
Safety first. Little head problems. I have to like put my face down to like hold it.
That's not how you use that, but okay.
Did I do it right?
Sure.
Yay! Dude, I'm like an
You
astronaut.
sound like you're in a gas mask.
You just gave me a toy.
This is not really moving.
It's going in though. Tiny bit is better than no bit.
Now I hit the table.
Table, would you look at that? It's coming out! Hooray!
All right, it's real loose now, so put it down. Hey!
God damn it, I want to be drunk! Yay!
Holy shit, it's fucking hot.
It literally took you friggin' 5 minutes of being here. It took me like 3 hours of hammering for no reason until I decided that this wasn't going to work by myself. This is amazing. This is stupid thing. Got it! Alright, now we're gonna put this guy on like so. Dude, I wish this thing would focus better. Cool. Looking good. I can't take you anywhere. So this is the final product. Hooray! It's finally on my shifter. I'm gonna go ahead and tighten it and then install it in my car real quick.
Welcome to my world. Slap into a Slim Jim.
Don't talk about Slim Jims to them.
I like Slim Jims. My mom never let me eat Slim Jims though, because they're so unhealthy. And now I'm an adult, I eat donuts for fun on the internet.
Hey, donut eating.
I'll eat all the donuts.
Yeah. Fuck away.
Where are you?
I'm over here. Oh, we don't want to make it too tight. Okay, cool. That looks good enough, right? Now we're gonna slide on down here. I'm like a little slithery little worm. Over here. Where? Now I just want to sit in the car and see how this new shifter thingy jig feels, okay? That's all I want. Definitely a lot stiffer than last time just because it has new bushings and it's actually hooked up to the transmission. Huh. It has a little trouble going in the first and third sometimes, but I think that's just because I need new shifter bushings. And this thing is gonna be so awesome. What? That's what I imagine.
It's a lot of blow noises and other kind of bad noises that you shouldn't hear.
I'm like gonna jinx
From an
myself
NA car.
before I even get
It was all like
That was like me exploding as soon as I get in the car. Guys, I'm so excited. I'm gonna like wear out all of my shifting stuff before I even get the car started at this rate. I'm actually really, really excited. Oh my god, I got it done! I'm so excited! I can't wait to have my car running. Can you believe it's going to be running soon?
One day.
It has a new clutch I have to break into. Oh man, it's gonna suck.
Oh man, it's gonna suck.
A few moments later.
It works. Okay. Okay. We got low battery, so I'm gonna make this quick. Instead of ending the vlog where I normally do, I have some news for you guys. We are going on a trip in our favorite rocket ship. Just kidding, we are going to Washington State to ride some bicycles. We're leaving Thursday the 9th and we'll be back after a week and a half.
We out.
We
Fine.
out. I will definitely try to vlog 1 or 2 of the days. I'm not gonna promise you that I'm gonna edit and upload them that week because I'm on vacation. I only get like 1 a year, but just want to let you guys know, and I love you. Mwah! Thank you so much for watching. Leave a like, leave a comment.
This one, it looks like that. It looks a lot like that.
Yours is way bigger than mine.
Does it face that way or does it face your way?
I have
It's
no
one
idea.
of these. Click
It might
click
be the
one that
opposite.
looks like this.
Like my left
Just don't
might
click
be.
We'll make sure it does.
No, don't do that. There's
Okay,
no
this one.
unlike. There's no unlike. Dislikes. There's no dislikes.
There's no. There's a dislike on
No,
YouTube.
I know. I don't. I'm pretending
That
it's not there.
sucks.
I'm pretending it's not there. It doesn't exist. It's
Make a subscribe button, like with the.
It just looks like the. What the fuck is this?
That's a. Probably
Close
thinks
enough.
it's gang signs. Now we're gonna get flagged on YouTube.
I know. I'm a lobster. All right. Thank you so much for watching. Like and subscribe. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye. Hey.
Shoot him with a shotgun!
No, not the salt gun.
That was really hard to say. Shot.
What? Where the fuck are you going?
I need 12.
I just got in a good position.
Stay there then.
I'm gonna get lonely.
No, you won't. Would you look?
Amazing what you can do with the right tools.
Joe, I want one of these. This is so cool. He's a coming. He's a coming. The Mario is a coming now. This is gonna be a fantastic. He is a beebity bobbity boo.
A beep boppity boop.
It's really hot in this thing. I'm like really hot in here now.
You're like still in it. The rest
I'm hot. I'm like sweating
I
so
know.
bad. It's like if it's 1,000 degrees in here. It's a volcano and I'm about to erupt, guys. Holy guacamole.
Gabby says, come to the garage. It'll be fun. Oh, it won't be that hot. We'll go at night. Here I am, holding the camera, not doing any work, sweating my tushy off.